I am the one who has the most water here.
Why are you so sure, Earth? Uranus and I actually have the most water.
You may have the most water, but it's not usable for my Earthlings.
What about the water on me, Earth?
You don't really have usable water, Mars. It's all frozen as ice.
Then why do your people want to come here? What will they drink?
They'll melt your ice, Mars.
I can give you some water if you run out.
Hey, Sun, what would happen if Earth's crust suddenly disappeared?
Extremely dangerous for humans, Moon. They would instantly vaporize because the inside of Earth is as hot as my surface.
Would Earth without his crust look like there are two suns from here?
No, Moon. Without his crust, Earth would just be magma. He wouldn't emit light like I do. My heat comes from nuclear fusion in the form of electromagnetic radiation, while Earth is only glowing hot material.
Are you guys done discussing?
Hey, planets, show me your winds.
A planet without an atmosphere wouldn't even know what wind is.
Well, I have hurricanes here. They're pretty strong. Strong enough to lift the Earthlings' houses.
That's nothing, Earth. I have global dust storms that can cover my entire face for months.
My Great Red Spot is the longest-lasting storm in the solar system.
I'm the only one with winds so stylish they form a perfect hexagon at my pole.
Step aside, everyone. I have the fastest supersonic winds in the solar system, 2,100 kilometers per hour.
Hey, Earth, I heard you're going to have two moons, too.
That's right, Mars. It's true.
Wait, what do you mean, Earth? I have to share my orbit with another moon?
Relax, Moon. This new moon won't be fighting over your orbit because it's actually very small.
But if you had to choose, Earth, which one would you pick? The new one or the old one? Hey, Earth, why do you look so different this time?
Of course, Mars. This is one of the past moments I always remember and deeply miss.
What kind of memories do you always hold on to, Earth?
This was me when I still had many dinosaurs, when pollution and waste were almost non-existent.
Is it because humans didn't exist yet, Earth?
Yeah, something like that, Mars. Are you still sure you want to host humans over there?
Hey, Earthlings, if you ever plan to move here, make sure you don't turn me dirty.
Hey, Earth, why are you surrounded by so many needles?
Yeah, Moon. These are needles that humans sent a long time ago.
Why did they send needles, Earth?
Well, Moon, back around the 1960s, humans in the United States were worried that their underwater communication cables might be cut by enemies. They needed a way to send radio messages across the world.
So, what does that have to do with these needles? Can needles really send messages?
Technically, yes. They sent about 480 million tiny copper needles into my orbit in a mission called Project West Ford. The needles were designed to form a giant belt that worked like a radio mirror, so they could beam radio waves at the needles, and the waves would bounce back to the other side of me.
What if those needles fall toward you, Earth?
Don't worry, Moon. They'll burn up in my atmosphere.
What if the needles fall at the speed of light, Earth?
Ugh, what even is this thing? It's been circling around me since yesterday.
Those are astronauts from my place, Moon.
But why, Earth? Why do they have to keep looping around me like this?
They're testing the Orion spacecraft with a human crew. It's a trial run before they actually land on you in the Artemis 3 mission.
Wait, aren't they scared of Moon's far side, Earth? The side they've never seen before?
Not at all, Mars. They're doing this for the ultimate dream, so humans can eventually colonize you.
Hey, Sun, how come I have moons moons, but I'm not considered a planet, while Mercury and Venus don't have any moons at all, yet they're still called planets.
Well, it's because Venus and I always orbit the sun in a stable path. Meanwhile, sometimes you just disappear from your orbit.
Yeah, this time I agree with Mercury.
Be patient, Pluto. I know exactly how you feel.
How could you know how I feel? You're not the one orbiting at the very edge of the solar system.
I know what you're worried about, and I'll try to be fair to all of you here.
What are you going to do, son? You're just going to leave me at the edge of the solar system.
Hey, planets, what would happen if I turned into a black hole but kept the exact same mass?
Looks like nothing would change with my orbital speed.
I'd probably only realize it after 8 minutes. That's how long it takes for your sunlight to reach me.
Nothing changes for us. We're already cold and don't really need you anyway.
So, if I were replaced by a black hole, you guys would be totally fine? Hey, planets, how long would it take for my light to travel all the way around you?
I bet your light would just skip right over Mercury without even noticing.
My turn! Your light takes 0.133 seconds to loop around me. Wait, Mars, you're actually not that different from Mercury after all.
Over here, it takes 1.465 seconds.
And for me, it's 1.220 seconds.
Your light takes 0.519 seconds. That's still way faster than the supersonic winds on my surface.
Excuse me.
Hey Mars, how come you have 2 moons even though you're smaller than me?
Back in the day, I was a karate master. When an asteroid came at me, I just split it into 2.
Be serious for a second.
Okay, for real. My moons came from asteroid debris that got trapped by my gravity, but they ended up with very different fates, Earth.
Different fates? What do you mean, Mars?
Phobos is getting closer to me every year, while Deimos is slowly drifting away.
So that means eventually you'll...
Excuse me.
Hey son, is it true that black holes can sleep?
Yeah, it's true, but not the kind of sleep like Uranus, who just lies there all day doing nothing.
Bro, why me?
So what does sleeping mean then?
It means the black hole isn't eating. There's no gas, no stars, nothing nearby for it to swallow. So it just looks quiet, like it's in standby mode.
Guys, don't hit the like button too hard, okay? I don't want the black hole waking up.
Who's making that noise?